What if your lead attribution report generated itself complete with CPL, source performance, and insights delivered straight to your inbox every week? Hi, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll show you how to automate a weekly lead attribution report using Google Sheets and Azure GPT-4 without any manual analysis or reporting work. Step 1. Schedule trigger. This node runs the workflow automatically at a fixed interval. It ensures the lead attribution report is generated regularly without manual effort. Step 2. Get data from Sheets Google Sheets. This node fetches all lead data from the Google Sheet. It pulls fields like name, email, source, and spend-related columns for analysis. Step 3. Aggregating data code node. This node processes raw lead data to calculate total leads, leads per source, ad spend per source, cost per lead, CPL. It converts row-level data into a clean summary. Step 4. Further aggregating data code node. This node refines the aggregation into a single report object. It ensures the workflow generates one consolidated report instead of multiple outputs. Step 5. Azure OpenAI Chat Model, Azure OpenAI GPT-4o Mini. This node provides the AI model used for report generation. It powers the logic that converts structured data into readable business insights. Step 6. Create HTML report for email, LLM chain. This node converts the aggregated JSON into a professional HTML report. It includes summary, key metrics, top sources, CPL, insights, and action items. The output is clean, mobile-friendly HTML. Step 7. Send weekly report email Gmail. This node sends the generated HTML report via email. The recipient receives a ready-to-read weekly lead attribution summary. The final report is emailed automatically, giving you a clean, actionable view of lead performance every week. Share your views. What do you think about it in the comment box? And I'll see you in the next video.